brother.
On a better day. All right, man.
All right, y'all. I'm over here with EV Smoke. We want to know what happened, because I know EV Smoke is faster than that. Don't be playing with my emotions,
Hey,
EV Smoke.
You tell you what happened?
What happened?
So I guess this is demonizing for real track. He had his guys for one thing.
Stop it.
I'm pulling my parachute pin.
Stop it. Stop it.
While I'm at the staging line.
Stop it.
So of course that happened. My car looking there like, what the hell going on?
Hey, I went in the booth and came out of booth. I had to get every advantage I can to beat your old man, because your old man is fast. Hey, when you gonna let this young man drive it?
No, he's getting used to the Model Y right now. And right now, the instant torque, man, he got the heavy foot, man.
Oh yeah, all them kids got heavy foot.
In a regular mode, man, he's got the heavy foot.
The Demon 170 beat you because they was checking your parachute. Is that what happened?
Well, he said he had to pull my pin, my parachute pin.
Okay.
And I was at the staging thing and threw my car. It's like a burn. It's kind of like a burn down. All I can do is.
No, I mean you burned. I mean I was in the beams. I mean you burned me down.
Well, that because the dude was back there. He had just came back around.
Man, you should have just took off.
No,
EV Smoke, what you doing?
He was I ain't gonna snatch his hand off like that.
What?
I ain't gonna snatch his hand off like that.
So when I took off, you didn't take off?
No, I went in limp mode.
So you went in limp mode? Hey man, I don't want to hear about your sex life.
Well, you stop.
His ass say he went to the limp mode.
I bet my wife tell you ain't got them problems.
No. Hey man, I don't know.
You set me up for that.
No, you set yourself up. He went straight into the limp mode.
You set me up for
Good
that.
Lord, man.
Some food, man.
Good Lord, I didn't know you had a hard on for me, EV Smoke.
Man, oh, God.
Hey, Eric, it was like a bad prison movie. I put him straight in limp mode.
I can't wait to see the footage on that. He set me up for that one. He set me up for that one.
Hey man, what you doing? You taking your front spall off?
Yeah, I had to, because this trailer, now when I'm in my enclosed, is alright, but this trailer.
Man, I know about this trailer. Man, won't you let me buy this trailer back from you?
I know you like, hey, because that open trailer, they enclosed trailer, sometimes you don't have to deal with that stuff.
Yeah, I love this one.
Hey, when I pull it, even with the Nissan, I get my sight still on like it love to see them gas stations with them putting the enclosed. Well, them enclosed trailer ain't no joke.
Hey man, I might just buy this trailer back from you.
Nah, this.
Say man, you can't. Come on, man.
Title switched over, man.
Say man, I should have raced you for the trailer.
Hey, let me have
wait a minute, go with your hands up. You ain't gonna give me the hit. He said you ain't gonna give me the hit. boy, he got hot then. He said, yeah, let's race for the trailers. Hey man, I appreciate you giving me the hit though, since the track wasn't there.
Yeah, it's all good. We're gonna do it back home.
Yeah, we'll run it again.
Don't wait no damn year now. That damn demon knowledge. Damn, Mo. Smoke said he'll get him though. Calm down, boy.
He's supposed to come in. Went in the limbo.
Like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.